Hey you guys, today I'm going to do a chair yoga workout with you, and this one's very special to me because I created it specifically for my grandmother. She turns 90 years old, but do not be mistaken, she is seems much younger than that. I'm still trying to keep up with her. But this workout is really good for seniors. It's really good workout for those recovering from surgery. And then it's also a great workout for those who are starting yoga and just struggling with balance. So the chair can be a lot of help. I always say the wall can be your best friend. In this specific workout, your chair can be your best friend. We are gonna start with some deep cleansing breaths. I want you to sit tall, take a breath in, and exhale, release. Breathe in and exhale. Keep going, 3 more breaths. And open your eyes. We are going to go into some neck stretches. So I want you to take your chin forward, and we're going to draw a little half moon. So you're going to bring it to the side and then down and to the other side. I don't want you to move fast here, just take your time. Feel the stretch. And back. I want you to take one arm out to the side, the other arm will be down, and we're going to take it over for a side stretch. Continuing to breathe, and back to the other side, over, and return. One more each side. Obviously, it's best to have a chair without arms. And bring it down. Moving into some half sun salutations, I want you to reach the arms out to the side, find a little back bend. Inhale, and then exhale as you fold forward. And roll it back up. Arms reach out. Big stretch. Inhale. Exhale, arms open out. We're gonna fold it forward. Hold, breathe in and out as you bring it back up. 2 more, out to the sides. And down. Roll it up. Last one. Up. And down. Bringing it all the way back up. I'm going to have you turn to the side of your chair. You're going to scoot forward a little bit, sit tall, and then we're going to just take a forward fold. I'm not going to allow myself to go so far forward that I fall out. Holding here. So I'm pushing into my heels and my toes are lifted. If that doesn't feel good to you, you can simply plant the feet and fold that way. Breathe in and out. And then nice and slow here, we're gonna bring it all the way back up. Okay, so from here, I want you to take it to a little hamstring stretch. So this would be your starting position with one leg out. If you need to keep the foot down, you can hinge yourself forward. You don't want to flex and round here. Just hinge, and you're going to get a little stretch through the back of the leg. If you're able to join me here, we're going to bring the leg up. I want you to pull it in for a stretch this way, and then you're going to extend the leg out. And you're going to hold right here. And if you want more, you can always take your hands toward the toes. Shoulders are open. And I know this is a reach for a lot of people, so this is fine right here. I actually really like it hands laced behind my calf. Just don't sink into your shoulders here. It's really easy to get lazy there. Hold. You can flex and point. Circle. Bend the knee, bring it back in. Sit tall, good posture here. And back down, good job. We're gonna bring this leg either out here with a little bit of a fold, or we're gonna pick the knee up, hold, and extend the leg out. Holding. And we're gonna flex and point. Flex and point. Oh, this feels so good. It's just gentle, and I love that. Circle if you want. Get some movement in those joints. Bend the knee in, pull toward the chest, and relax it down. Now we're gonna bring the legs super wide. We're gonna bring the arms out to the side, find a stretch all the way across, so you can pull back a little bit if you want. And then we're gonna bring the arms up, and then you're gonna, just like in yoga, we call this goddess arms. You're gonna pull down and lift the heart toward the ceiling. And back up. So as I'm pulling my elbows down, I'm finding a little lift through my chest. I'm not dropping my head back, just a slight little lift to give me some extension here in my spine. Little back bend. And up. And as I come up, I have really nice tall posture, and I'm going for 2 and back. 1 more. And back. And then I'm gonna bring the arms down by my side and then walk the feet in. Now I want you to press into your thighs here, lift the chest for another back bend. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and return. You can forward fold if you want. That might feel good after the back bend. Just for a little counter stretch there. Okay, we're gonna take this to warrior 2. I love this. So one leg is gonna come back. I want the back toes pointed forward. The left are going toward the wall. Your arms are up and you're looking towards the wall of the front foot. We're gonna hold here. Now, if this is easy for you and you wanna start practicing balance, you can actually lift to stand here. Otherwise, you're gonna stay down with me. Hold this position, stretch through the arms. You can even open the palms toward the ceiling for an added stretch if that feels good to you. And then we're gonna take it to a reverse warrior. So we're gonna bring it back. Try not to collapse in that back leg. And return, and think about an extended side angle here. I'm gonna bring my elbow down, trying not to sink into that shoulder, and then over for a stretch here. So good. And then we're gonna look up if you want. That's just an option. Bring it back to your warrior 2. fierce, and to center. Lovely. Now we're gonna take it to the other side. So I'm gonna find this position, this warrior two. So now my toes are pointed forward of the back leg, and the front leg, they're going towards the wall or the space in front of me. Arms are lifted long, so no sloppy arms here. Strong energy coming out of the fingertips. Hold. If you wanna lift up here, go for it. It's a great space for you to find that balance pose. If you're not up for it, you can stay seated, no big deal. I'm gonna open the palms. Just an option. Breathe. Arms turn back and reverse it. You're gonna extend back, and I'm looking toward my palm. If you don't feel balanced there, just keep looking ahead. Breathing through it. Back, elbow comes down to the knee, and over. Oh, so good. One long line, fingertips to toes. Back to warrior again. You can play with picking that up if you want. And lower. We're gonna walk it in for another forward fold. Take a breath in and exhale, fold forward. Inhale, stay. Exhale to roll up. And we go again, inhale. Exhale, forward. Inhale, stay. And exhale up. One more inhale. Exhale forward. Inhale, stay. And exhale to bring it up. Good. Hands come behind your head. We're gonna walk the feet out. Little lean to the side. And up. I'm folding right from the abdomen, scooping in, just flexing the upper body from more of the chest. I'm coming this way versus hinging from my hips, okay? So I'm scooping in from the abdominals, folding the chest forward, planting my feet. So my feet are super rooted here, and to the side, and back. Now we're gonna reverse that. Take it to the side, and back. Forward, so again, not from the hips, giving the spine some love there, and then to the other side, bringing it back, arms come down, and I want you to bring your toes up, and you're just gonna wiggle the toes, so you're pushing into your heels here, just wiggling, shake the palms, and bring your hands to heart center. You can plant your feet back down. We're gonna go for 3 breaths. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. One more, inhale, and exhale. And I want you to take time to think of 2 things that bring you joy. And be thankful for those 2 things. Slowly open your eyes. And you are done. Notice how good your body feels. I hope you enjoyed this workout. I hope that it makes your body feel better. And for those of you who are just getting started with yoga, this is such a great way to slowly build strength. So take your time, and you'll find that you progress, and some of these chair exercises may become standing exercises, and you're gonna feel yourself get stronger for it. Take care.